Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to start a hidden game inside Instagram direct messages. This feature can make your chats more fun and even a little competitive. First, make sure that you have the updated version of the Instagram app. Then open your Instagram messages and select a chat with one of your friends. Now simply send an emoji. You can use most emojis for this game. For example, I will send this one. After sending it, tap on the same emoji. The game will start right away. Your goal is to keep the emoji from falling by moving the paddle at the bottom. Each time the emoji bounces, you earn 1 point. It feels similar to classic arcade games where you keep the ball in motion. The score is displayed at the top of the screen. You can try the game with different emojis as well and see how they behave. You and your friends can compare scores and try to beat each other. When the game ends, your highest score will stay saved inside the chat. Note that the heart emoji and the celebration emoji do not work because they already have their own animation in chat. And that is all you need to do. How many points did you score? If you enjoyed this tutorial, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more short Instagram guides and updates.